Getting today's date in YYYY-MM-DD in Python? Is there a nicer way than the following to return today's date in the YYYY-MM-DD format?
Use datetime to also include a 0 padded hour column minute column second at the end. To get the UTC date and time.
You can use datetime.date.today and convert the resulting datetime.date object to a string.
I always use the isoformat method for this. Note that this also works on datetime objects if you need the time in the standard ISO 8601 format as well.
Very late answer, but you can simply use
I fjollen tar seg en morgen, ble han sett som hyggelig opp streaming.